folds and goes with ease. This wheelchair features a durable aluminum alloy frame, painted leather seat cushion, and honeycomb tires for durability, comfort, and practicality. The handle rotates 360 degrees and can be switched between horizontal and vertical grips for 3 12-inch honeycomb rear tires provide excellent shock absorption, making it easy to navigate stairs. The lightweight wheelchair has convenient brake settings on the handles for smooth and prompt braking. Equipped with 360-degree universal tires for effortless indoor, the design of smaller front and larger rear tires enhances its ability to pass through obstacles. It features a durable aluminum alloy buckle for easy folding and unfolding. If you are interested in, welcome to contact us for the details. Please visit our website or email to info@canlincare.com.